Hey guys, I just wanted to show you how I machine my my little coaster frame, all kinds of things I get out of this little thing, following my print. So yeah, let's set you up and show you how I do it. Okay, turn on the light here so you can see. Ooh, it's a little bright. Oh, there you go. Good autofocus. Cool. Alright, I think I got this 8-minute program down to 4.5 minutes. So, let's check it out. Now we're really ripping into it.
We about to turn it on.
luckily I have this 4-inch jaw hanging around. I got a couple of them actually that I could have used. Alright, so those are the faceplates. Pretty easy after we laser cut them. And yeah, I'll show you where that goes when I get back to my office. Hey everyone, it is Isaiah, and I just wanted to, after I got done machining those parts, I kind of just wanted to get back into the office and kind of show you what they kind of become. So you see me machine these here. Those were the wooden, hold on, let me get one. This is the blank one that you see me machine. These are all sanded down, ready to get stained, different colors that I have. But this is just the blank that you see me machine. I kind of just want to show you, I guess, what they become. So I got a couple examples here. I'm working on some here. Different stains, some that I haven't even done yet. I'm gonna do them all in one day since I got a whole box of them here. And then I got the, you also see me machine these acrylic plates. Got the protective paper still on them. Got a box of those. I'll show you what those go to. Kind of don't want to be on camera today. My hair is a mess and I'm burnt and anyways, so it becomes one of many things. This is a picture frame. As you can see, there's some bullets. This is one of the prototypes. It doesn't have as much bullets in there, but it doesn't look like they're bullets, but they are. So yeah, that cavity right there will fill in with all kinds of bullets, but these are more the newer ones that have a lot more bullets. This is yeah, like I said, they could be coaster, they could be frames. I'm having other items come in to make other things. So what in the future, what I would have done for the picture frame, I'll show you the back. See, you can hang it up. It's stained. It'll protect your walls with those little things. So in the future, I'll have where you can insert your photo, and you kind of just fit it into a 4-inch diameter. You could also put your own photos in there, but it's a 4-inch diameter with these little, it's kind of hard to do it on the phone, with these little little cutouts here for to hold it in, and that's the acrylic plate there. Again, this is the prototype, but you can see the acrylic plate there, and that holds a photo, and I just think these are beautiful pieces of art. Pieces of a frame, something you can hold, something you can put your picture of your kids, or put a picture of your wife or your husband, or whatever, what you call. Also, you know, coasters. This is the black ebony color stain. You can still kind of see the wood green. It's not a paint. It just stains it really dark. That is the black version. Here's another. I like this is the one with a gloss finish, which is pretty good. It's the same one as this, but way better quality. Again, that was just a prototype, but these are the ones that are coming off the line. This one I think is beautiful. This is a light walnut, and it doesn't really color, and then I put a gloss finish on there as well. But man, it just looks like a wet stain, and I like it. So I like that one. Right now I'm doing what do you call this? Red oak, and then I'm also gonna do black cherry. So I have five different stains. So that's what you see me machine. So I kind of just wanted to go over that. This is the big project reveal, I guess I could say, of what I've been working on. And as you can see, I got a lot of work to do. On a sunny day, I'm just gonna stain them all of the different colors, and call it a day. Have a couple of drinks with some friends while I stain these, and yeah, honestly, it's gonna be a fun day to do that. That's why I kind of like working at home, doing this, so I can kind of do it however I want to do it, drinking with friends, or just doing it on my own time. But I do got to get on this because it's been a project that's honestly taken me too long. Sorry I don't have any weekly updates, but we haven't made too much progress, and I just this video I wanted to show you what I've been working on, machining my parts, and the giveaway. So I don't have a fancy way to do this. Sorry. So here's the giveaway. So after that date there, 8/11/20, these were all the people that were on the Facebook account. So I'm going to choose a name, and this will be the winner. So here, let me actually, yeah, let's go to edit just to show you all the names. There we go. These are all the names that have liked the page and are following the page as of that date. So yeah, if you don't see your name in there, you may be private. So I'm gonna pick. Go ahead and do the. I'll choose a name right now. So this randomly chooses. So let's see who we get. This will be the winner of the giveaway, and I will contact the winner and reveal what they get. What they will get is a shirt, engraved keychain of their choice, and of their name, obviously, and throw in a couple more things. So just something small, but not. It's pretty cool. I throw in some of these, but they're still in the works. So let's see who wins. Oh, okay. All right, there you go. Ready? Here we go. The winner is Katrina Hemphill. All right. So I will contact Katrina Hemphill, and congratulations. Katrina, thank you. I will contact you, and thank you for following my Facebook page, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We passed the 100 mark, and we're going into the 150s now, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, it's oh look, you can say name. What's this do? Oh God. Oh, my phone read it. Okay. Sweet. So we got a winner. And I guess that's it, guys. Pretty short and simple today. I've been busting my butt trying to get these done and machined. And we got them in here in-house now, and we're ready to start I'm ready to start working. So yeah, tell me what you guys think about this. Do you guys like this? Do you think it's a neat idea? This is the prototype, like as I said like 100 times. There's 12 bullets in here. There's but in the newer versions, let me show you. In the newer versions, there's 16 bullets. There's a 4 357 Magnum, four. Yeah. So tell me what you think about this. Do you like this? Is this something you would ever consider owning? Coasters for the man cave. These will be cool for the man cave, or if you have a gun room. But yeah, tell me what you think about these. These are sweet coasters. Little on the big side, but the really works of art, really. So yeah. Alrighty, everyone, thank you for watching, and Matt, thank you, and congratulations to Katrina Hemphill for winning. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.